Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and in today's video I'm basically just going to be doing a product update, trying on all of my November 2020 Boxycharm makeup products. I do these monthly videos where I use all of my Boxycharm makeup products in one makeup look, but I don't have enough to do a full face look this month. Sometimes I can do a full face makeup tutorial using all of my Boxycharm products, but I pretty much have like half a face worth of products, therefore I have half a face on right now. But so all of these products I have done full dedicated review videos on. I also posted my unboxing videos of my Boxycharm base box and my Boxycharm premium, and if you haven't seen those yet, I'll have all of those videos linked in the description down below. I did get products that I'm not using in this video that are not makeup products, that are, skincare, those types of products. So you can check out my unboxing videos to see all the products I got. But so the first product I'm gonna put on right now is the Jekka Block Liquid Corrector 2.0. This product just did not work well for me. I definitely have under eye circles, so I was really excited to get an under eye color correcting product. But you'll see, I just feel like it makes my under eyes darker. So I really haven't found use for this, except for the fact that it is kind of hydrating and smoothing to my under eyes under concealers that crease. But then on my video, I got a lot of comments of people saying that they love this. So it might depend on your skin tone or what, but I mean, look, it blends out pretty well. I like the texture of it, but I'm not really getting any color correcting. I just feel like it darkens my under eyes, which I do not need any more darkening to my under eyes. But so I'm gonna put this on, let it sit, and then we'll do some eyeshadow, and then I'll put concealer on top of this. So let's stop right there. Like, I know it's not a very attractive look, so bear with me for a bit. But so as I move on to eyeshadow, I got 3 eyeshadow products. I got the Natasha Denona Peak Eyeshadow Palette, which it's nice, but I wasn't crazy about the colors. But then I also got the Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry palette, which I really love. I love the colors in this palette here. I think these 2 palettes will work really well together. But then I also got the Dose of Colors Night Sky eyeshadow single, which I absolutely love. It's this kind of shimmering, dark navy black color. But so first things first, I will reach for my Natasha Denona palette and take this lightest off-white shade here, which does end up looking darker when I apply it to my lid, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this to set and prep my eyelid. But it's weird, so you can see, first swipe, it goes on kind of looking off-white, but as I blend it, it starts to look darker and a little bit more orange and peachy. So I'm just confused as to why that happens. I wish it would stay this cream color here, but it's like I have to blend it out further. And for some reason it just like, I don't know, oxidizes, probably not, but like transforms. I don't know, it's weird. But okay. Now I'm gonna go into my Illamasqua palette and pick up a transition shade. I'm gonna go for this matte brown here. I love how many great transition shades there are in this palette. And I'm gonna blend that from crease to brow bone. I did not get a light enough highlight shade in any of these palettes, so that's okay. We'll just have to do without the brow highlight. But I find that these Illamasqua shades are so blendable, easy to work with, cohesive colors. So now going back into the Natasha Denona palette, I'm going to pick up the brown shade there, and I'm going to blend that right into the crease. So you can see it's really pigmented and it does blend nicely. So I like the formula of the Natasha Denona eyeshadows, but they're just so orange and red, and I can only use so much orange in my eyeshadow looks. I really like how it looks with this Illamasqua brown shade that I have in the transition. I really like the brush that I'm using, so I'm actually going to use my brush cleaner here in between the shades that I'm using to keep using it. And this brush cleaner I got at the dollar store. It's fantastic. It completely cleans the brush like magic, and it's dry. But so now I'm going into my Dose of Colors Block Party eyeshadow that I got in the shade Night Sky. And I'm going to apply this into that outer corner. And I just love this shade. It's a very versatile color. You can work with it in different techniques and get a range of eyeshadow looks. So I can really smoke it out like I am here, but you still see some sparkle. And I just love this Night Sky shade when it's full pigmented. So I'm going to take a little bit on my finger and just tap that into the outer corner to deepen that up even more. Oh, it's just so pretty, and like you get that full opaque color by just lightly tapping the lid. Like, it's so pigmented and easy to work with. And I don't have a lot of really great black eyeshadows that are this pigmented but then also sparkly too, so this is a really nice shade to have in my collection. And now I want to take an Illamasqua shimmer shade for the rest of the eyelid. Why don't I go with this one here? It's like a shimmery golden brown. And applying that to the rest of the lid. This is also really full pigment, beautiful metallic sheen. When I do these makeup looks using the products, again, I try and do different color combinations and looks than what I did when I first reviewed the products. And I would say that this is pretty different. Go ahead and blend it. We've got orangey, we've got red, we've got gold, brown, black, lots of colors going on here. Not my most cohesive look. Honestly, probably not my favorite eyeshadow look I've ever done either, but hopefully it all comes together for a nice, I feel like holiday glam makeup look. But so now I can cover up my under eye circles with, I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I use this concealer all the time, and it does work pretty well on top of the color corrector. And then I just, with my dampened sponge, blend the concealer on top. And it does blend nicely. I mean, I get that full coverage that I love from that Tarte Shape Tape. And I feel like it really does hide my under eye circles. And maybe that color corrector does a little something for making the under eye circles be a little bit more hidden. But mostly I feel like it just kind of makes like a smoother base for my concealer and helps with all of these fine lines under my eyes. So now I can go ahead and apply a lower lash line shade. I'm gonna go in with this brownish shimmery shade, and I'll run that along the lower lash line. It's a little light. Maybe I'll pick up this shimmery shade as well. All right, and this might be a little funny, but I did not get a blush or bronzer. So I kind of want to go into my Natasha Denona palette and take this blushy shade in the bronzer, or the brown shade, not the bronzer, and apply this to my cheeks to give myself a little color. Let's see how this looks. Ooh. Okay, that's a beautiful blush color. There we go. Just give myself a little color to my cheeks by mixing these two shades. It's a really beautiful blush color. And you can see it's blending out, it's pigmented. So that could be another use for my Natasha Denona palette. I'm kind of picky about my blush colors and I actually really like this. That's so fun. I also did not get a mascara, but I have been loving the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. I feel like I cannot get enough of this. It lives up to all the hype. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of this to finish off that eye look. What a difference that makes to the eye look. Oh, love a good volumizing mascara. Another product that I really love. This is from Benefit. It's the Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. And this is a product that I tried out a long time ago, loved it, used it up, so I was really excited to get this again in Boxycharm. I have the shade number 1. I did already go ahead and fill in my brows with pencil, but I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with this gel. I just love the tiny applicator, and I need a brow gel every day because my brow hairs get so unruly. And I really love this one because it's got a tint, so it looks super natural on the brows. Like, it really emphasizes all the hairs, but it has nice hold. It doesn't look goopy. It doesn't get flaky. If you have naturally good brow shape, you don't even need to fill in your brows with pencil, but I just like to perfect my shape. But I'm just so excited to have this to use again. And now all that I have left are a few lip products. So really not that much makeup this month in Boxycharm. But so I am going in with my Real Her Lip Liner Duo, but in order to go with my Ilia lipstick that I got in the shade Rosette, this one here, I think that this nude lip liner is going to be perfect. I have finally started doing this, and it's probably something I should have done a long time ago, but I have finally started lining my lips every day. It used to be a step that I would skip, but I really do like to try and make my lips look bigger. So using a lip liner does exactly that. So I don't know why it took me so long to start doing this. But like, even if I'm just putting on a lip gloss, I'm applying a nude lip liner with it. So this is a great daily lip liner for me. I love the color, so easy to apply, great pigment, creamy formula. And then this Ilia lipstick is really beautiful as well. A beautiful, wearable, any occasion type of shade that I feel like even goes really great with this kind of a random colored eyeshadow look. Yeah, I really like this lip liner and lipstick color combination. And here is my finished makeup look. I am pretty happy with it. I'm honestly not over the moon about the eyeshadow look. I really feel like, and I kept saying this as I was trying out the products this month, I really feel like these eyeshadow palettes needed that lighter shimmery shade. I just feel like my eyeshadow look is a little bit dark, and I just feel like for my eye shape I look better when I have a light shimmery shade in the inner corner. I mean, this is still pretty, but I feel like that's what I need to make this eyeshadow look exactly what I want. But if that's my only complaint, then that is not bad. So I definitely want to know in the comments down below your thoughts on these products. If you got them in Boxycharm in November and you've been using them, let me know what you've been thinking, how you've been enjoying them. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.